Draw a rectangle. Now use Bezier spline tool to create spline arc. Select first option Bezier spline. Now make upper part in a group, give thickness. Now use 1001-bit tool. Now select this option. Now set parameters. Now click over face to generate vertical interior element. Thanks for watching.